How to change date or time in Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, for that, you will have to use desktop version of Facebook. Simply go to facebook.com, log into your account, and after that make sure you are using in desktop site. After that, go to your profile icon and go to your profile. Now tap on the three dot and you will be able to see an option of edit. You will also have an option of edit date, but for my account it is not possible. But if yours is possible, you can do it by over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.